What are options contracts? An options contract gives you the right, not the obligation, to sell or buy underlying assets at a predetermined price on or before the expiry date. The option contract allows you to profit if the underlying asset moves in your favor before the expiry date. There are two basic types of options: call options and put options. Call options give contract owners the right to buy the underlying asset, while put options give the right to sell. For instance, Alice buys a call option with the expectation that the price of Bitcoin will rise in the future. Conversely, Bob buys a put option with the expectation that the price of the underlying asset will decline in the future. Options can be further categorized into American-style options and European-style options. American-style options contract allows you to exercise the rights at any time before and including the date of expiration. On the other hand, European-style options can only be exercised on the expiration date. What are Binance options? Binance options are an American-style option where users can execute the contract any time before the expiry date. It tracks only one underlying asset, which is the Binance Futures BTC USDT perpetual contract. What are the key features of Binance options? Binance options offers short duration contracts ranging from 10 minutes to 1 day. This allows users to trade with expiry windows as small as 10 minutes apart, while providing a wider selection of trading strategies. Unlike traditional options, users can only be a buyer of Binance options as Binance is the sole issuer of the product. Therefore, users of Binance options are not exposed to unlimited downside, unlike traditional option sellers. In this case, the maximum loss would be the premium, which is the amount paid for acquiring the contract. Binance options are designed intuitively with only one strike price, which is the price at which a put or call option can be exercised, and it is equivalent to the price of BTC USDT perpetual contract on Binance Futures. Therefore, Binance options are always at the money, which means their strike price tracks closely the price of its underlying asset. Binance options contract will remain valid until the holder exercises the option any time before the expiry date. For instance, a user may choose to exercise an option that is in profit any time before its expiry. Alternatively, Binance options contracts may be settled automatically upon the expiration. How to trade with Binance options? Let's take Alice as an example. Alice purchases a 30-minute call option with a premium of $12 tether. $12 tether is deducted from the futures wallet balance. As the price of Bitcoin moves from $6,000 to $6,200, her position generates a profit. Subsequently, she may choose to execute the contract before the expiry. If she chooses to do so, her net profit will be calculated as such: gross profit minus premium equals $200 minus $12 equals $188. Alternatively, she could also hold on to her option contracts until it expires, where the contract will be settled automatically at the current market price. Conversely, as the price of Bitcoin reverses against her position, her maximum loss is the premium paid for the option. To exit an options trade profitably, the gross profit generated from the position must be larger than the premium. Profit will be anything from 0 to infinity, and the premium is a fixed value paid at the start. Thus, options offer a limited downside and unlimited upside potential. Net profit for your options trade is profit minus premium. To pay for an options premium, premiums will be deducted from the futures wallet. In rare cases, the premium deduction may impact the margins of a futures position, resulting in a forced liquidation. Therefore, before placing an options order, please ensure that you have sufficient free margin in your futures wallet balance. Users are required to open a futures account before trading on options. Options trading is currently only available on the latest version of the Binance mobile app. Download the latest version and start your options trading.